Yo guys, today we are flashing pure Nexus ROM, that is AOSP on the Moto G, Moto G4 Plus, G4 and the G4 Plus. And first thing you have to do is copy the ROM in the GApps zip file to the SD card, external SD card, and then reboot to recovery. Now follow the same procedure as you did for the previous ROMs. Every ROM has a common flashing procedure. You must wipe everything except the external SD card, and then be patient, let the wipe be complete, and then you need to install the ROM and the zip file one by one. I repeat, do not install it together, you must install it one by one. Now navigate to the root of external SD card and select the rom.zip and swipe to flash. It will take a while, so be patient. I will speed up the process by 5 times so that you can see the ROM is successfully installed with no errors. And after the completion of installation of ROM, again hit the home key, go to install and select the GApps package. I am using mini package because it gives all sufficient applications like maps, and only thing I don't need is the hangouts and email which comes. I will disable it later, but I use mini package and I recommend it too. And
I was about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. Leaving, getting the taxi, then we're kissing the backseat. Tell the driver make the radio play, and I'm singing like, girl, you know.
After the installation of GApps, you need to click on wipe cache/dalvik and select the reboot system option on the bottom right. After clicking on reboot system, it will take approximately 5 or more than minutes. You may hear a vibration for the first time after your bootloader unlock warning, and you can see the boot animation. I will speed up this process and let it boot. I will quickly show you my camera, as many people are complaining that we have camera sketches on the Moto G4 Plus. I am maintaining this device so far. I've been using it since October 2016 and I have got no scratches so far. Seriously, no scratches. Pictures take really well. And the ROM is now installed, and you can see the initial setup process, the welcome screen and the choosing language and signing with the Google accounts, all same thing. Just do it. Add your fingerprint and pattern if necessary. Blah blah blah. I don't need to say this. I will go through the initial setup process. Sit back, relax and enjoy. The initial setup process is done, and you can see the ROM is official and Android version is 7.1.1, and we have AOSP extended 3.3, and the February patch is security patch is available. Now let's just go to the features of this ROM, and you may have basic features like status bar, control icons, and clock customizations, battery customizations. I prefer the icon portrait for battery as it looks like a Nexus device, and I always center align the clock, and I don't want to get messed up these things. I don't use a carrier label nor key guard carrier or anything. I stick to the flash charging animation. It shows a thunder like symbol inside the battery logo while charging. And
I was about the sweet and the sour and how your family's doing okay. Leaving, getting the taxi, then we're kissing the backseat. Tell the driver make the radio play, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on and follow.
another thing is very useful is under quick settings, you can enable quick pull down option. You can swipe from the right edge directly and you can get to full settings. And there are two more things that are very useful: one touch advanced data toggle and advanced Bluetooth Wi-Fi toggle. If you click on this, you can toggle data directly from the one side pull on the left side. You don't need to go and put that switch on to in order to turn data. Just one click will turn on the mobile data, turn on the Wi-Fi, connect to your Bluetooth devices, etc. You can set your weather location manually. I prefer doing it manually. I don't use location often. And after setting the weather, there are more settings: navigation bar, blur, smart bar, fling. These features are already available, which are known to you in the Resurrection Remix. If you haven't watched my Resurrection Remix video, hit that card here. I'll give you a detailed review. If you want, smash that like button if you want a detailed review. And there are other ROMs which I have already reviewed. Hit that card for my other ROMs. And Google Assistant, the main important thing that is built in with the ROM. If you want a Google Assistant on any other ROM, hit that card. I have made a separate video on getting Google Assistant on any ROM without root. Now you can see the Google Assistant is here on the first boot. I haven't done anything, just hold the center key. After I thought it would never come, but it's here. Just train the voice assistant and click on OK Google, and it is working fine. And one thing I have noticed is that the language is set to English India, but Google Assistant is now working fine. Previously it wasn't working on English India. Some users reported that when you change your language to English India, it vanishes away, but you can see my language is in English India and Google Assistant is working fine. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, smash that like button. Feel free to leave a comment on which ROM you are on. Do you want me to review any sort of ROM for this G4 Plus? As I have only G4 Plus with me, I can only review ROMs and flash mods and customize this device. If you want, so I will definitely do it. Please hit that subscribe button, consider doing it for the growth of the channel. And you can see I have improved the quality so much. And if you like the editing, smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.